Hi, my name is Brian, and today I'm going to show you Open Work Feeds, which is a distributed Twitter-like application. So let's get started. Let's log in as a user. I'm going to log in as a new user called Daisy. I'll give Daisy a display name and an email. I'll provide an avatar, and I'll just provide a very quick bio. Okay, so now I've logged in as Daisy. So as you can see, we have no posts because we're not following anybody. We have a profile showing some basic information. Again, we're not following anybody. We have no followers and no posts, but we can go to the user directory and quickly change that. So as Daisy, I want to follow Alice. So now Alice will receive a request from Daisy. On this right side, I will log in as Alice. And as we can see, Alice has some posts from various people. And we have a request from Daisy to approve. So I'm going to approve that as Alice. And I will go back to my posts. And also as Alice, I want to follow Daisy. Now when I go back to Daisy's screen, we have a request from Alice. I'm going to approve that request. So now when I go to my home page, I will see we have a few posts from Alice. And checking as Alice, we can see here that we have this post we've seen earlier. So as Alice, and we can see we have some other users with which Daisy doesn't follow. So we have Charlie and Bobby have both replied to this post, and Alice has also replied to Bobby. And here as Bobby doesn't follow Charlie, but follows Alice, and thus it cannot see Charlie's reply to Alice. And as Charlie does not follow Bob, and thusly cannot see that Bob has also replied to this post. So as Alice, I am going to go to this, this list of posts, and I am going to reply. And now, as you can see, this post has instantly appeared on Alice's screen and also is at the top of Alice's feed. So looking a bit further, we have an application called a navigator, which sits on top of the sandbox, which is our ledger in this case. And I can log in as Daisy, and I can see all of the contracts that Daisy can view. So here we have a user contract. We can see the signatory is Daisy. We have the observers. So Alice is a friend, is an observer to this contract. And the web admin, this is for the directory of users. And you can see some details that I entered earlier, the description, the email address, so on and so forth, and the followers. So currently only Alice is following Daisy. I'm taking a little look further at the code behind this. So if we take a look at the user contract, which we've just viewed in the navigator, we have a username, which is a party. We have the display name as text. We have a list of followers. We have the created at time. We have the avatar text. We have the admin, which is simply the party, which can view this as a read-only in the directory. And then we have some choices. And in the choices, we have only the username, which is also the signatory, can execute these choices. So for updating the user profile, for accepting a follow request, and for creating a post. So that's it. If you want some more information, feel free to go to daml.com. where you can view the open source code. Thank you very much.